One of the most frequent questions from Amazon KDP beginners is Amazon KDP still profitable? While I generally avoid showing income figures on my channel, I understand that some people find this motivating. Just to give you an idea, I can still make about $100 or more on some days, although not every day. Keep in mind, I don't run any Amazon ads, so based on my experience, my answer to this question is yes, Amazon KDP is still profitable. I would like to share some graphics from Google Trends to illustrate the interest in Amazon KDP over the years. This will give us insight into what others think and experience. Since YouTube provides information about audience locations, I have a rough idea of the countries where viewers engage with Amazon KDP related content. Let's begin with the United States. If you look at the graphic, you will notice that after July 2023, the Google Trends data for Amazon KDP in the US reveals a significant decline in interest. Compared to last year, interest in Amazon KDP has now been nearly cut in half. Moving on to the UK, the trends for Amazon KDP appear quite similar to those in the US, particularly regarding the overall decline in interest after 2023. In Canada, the interest follows patterns similar to those in the US and UK. Similarly, Australia exhibits the same trends. I have noticed some Nigerian audiences in my YouTube statistics over the past few years, so let's take a look at their current interest as well. The data shows a notable drop in search interest after 2022, which is even more pronounced than the decline seen in the previous countries I mentioned. Finally, let's check the trends for India. The interest level in India has remained relatively stable since 2023, in contrast to the declining trends observed in the US and other countries. So, why do you think people are losing interest in Amazon KDP nowadays? Here's my take on it. I believe the primary reason is the influence of YouTubers who promote Amazon KDP as a get-rich-quick business model. Many of you have likely seen clickbait titles like "Make $10,000 per month with Amazon KDP" or "Earn $2,000 a month with this simple coloring book." My question is, how many of you have actually achieved these earnings through Amazon KDP? While it is not impossible to make such amounts, I can say it's unlikely if you are just starting out. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I published my first low content book on Amazon KDP on July 31st, 2019. It took me 7 months to earn my first $100 and 18 months to reach my first $1,000. After watching clickbait videos, many people unfortunately believe the claims, open Amazon KDP accounts, upload low content books like journals or notebooks, and expect quick results only to give up shortly after. The second reason people are losing interest in Amazon KDP nowadays is that the competition has become much tougher compared to previous years. When I analyze my earnings from the past few months, I find that only 15% of my income comes from books I published in 2024, the newer titles. Ranking your books on the first page has become significantly more challenging, and achieving results takes longer than in previous years. I believe that the increase in the number of Amazon KDP accounts, its promotion on YouTube as a get-rich-quick business model, and advancements in AI have significantly intensified competition. However, as shown by the interest graph across various countries, those who aren't fully committed to Amazon KDP tend to exit quickly. For this reason, I don't see newly opened KDP accounts as a major concern for competition. The real concern, in my opinion, should be the recent developments in AI. I believe this will continue to elevate competition in specific niches such as coloring books and puzzle books. While there are many low-quality books being produced, it's important not to underestimate the power of AI. It's advancing faster than expected and improving every day. Personally, I am not opposed to using AI-generated content in books, but right now, I am more focused on AI-assisted content and using AI for promoting books on social media, especially since the copyright status of AI-generated content remains controversial. I am staying updated on the latest developments and learning new AI tools to help increase my royalties, and I am sharing what I learn with you. If you are new to my channel or interested in this content, you can find videos like how to make a book trailer with AI and AI-generated content for Amazon KDP book promotion. If you are someone who completely ignores AI, I recommend reconsidering. Amazon is also testing AI developments in various areas that could soon transform the business entirely. What works today, like Amazon KDP keyword research or listing strategies, may not work tomorrow. I believe that those who don't adapt this new technology will likely fall behind and eventually leave the business, just like others before them. If you are a beginner in Amazon KDP, these changes could actually present a great opportunity for you. For example, Amazon is testing generative AI to improve product recommendations and descriptions. Here they explain how it works. If a customer regularly searches for gluten-free products and they search for gluten-free cereal, Now AI will intelligently position the term gluten-free within product descriptions of the right products that appear in search results, ensuring it stands out prominently even if Amazon or the selling partner has listed gluten-free at the very end of product description. This makes it easier for customers to quickly locate the right product based on the attributes that are most important to them. It may sound surprising, but this means that Amazon's AI could potentially change your product title. I know they have recently tested this feature with some Amazon merch products. I'm not sure if this feature will be available for Amazon KDP books, as we can't change the title and subtitle, but who knows. But this will shape Amazon's new search algorithm and affect product rankings. This means there will be more personalized product recommendations on our homepages, so what works for listings today may not work tomorrow. Additionally, Amazon Ads has introduced the AI Creative Studio and Audio Generator, two new generative AI tools aimed at reducing creative barriers and expanding opportunities for advertisers, ultimately creating a more dynamic and engaging experience for customers. Furthermore, as you may have noticed, Amazon's AI-powered content generation feature is available in select basic and premium A+ modules to assist sellers in their content creation process. I believe that once the corporate issues surrounding AI-generated content are clarified, we might see more AI generation tools integrated into the Amazon dashboard. These tools could be accessible not just to sellers, but to all customers. For instance, it's possible that in the near future, customers will be able to design their own notebook covers using tools within their Amazon dashboard and apply these covers to Amazon basic notebooks. Why not, right? If that happens, our royalties for low content books could decrease. So if you are a beginner in Amazon KDP, despite what some YouTubers might say, keep all of these in mind and adjust your expectations and business strategy accordingly. It's important to be realistic. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.